welcome to KTA Quick and Ono Recipes. I'm Chef Michi, and today we're going to be making roasted portobello mushrooms. Preheat your oven to 410 degrees. Lightly spray a cooking sheet with cooking spray and lay the mushroom caps gill side up. Season with fresh ground pepper and garlic salt. Not too much salt. The Parmesan cheese and seasoning blend will contain salt. Drizzle lightly with olive oil, then sprinkle the Parmesan cheese over the 4 mushrooms. Place in your oven and bake for 10 minutes. Remove the pan from the oven and fan a quarter of the sliced avocado onto each mushroom and sprinkle the seasoning blend over the sliced avocado. Heap 1/4 cup of sprouts on top of the avocado slices and drizzle with your favorite dressing. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.